This video, we're going to talk about how to write a number in scientific notation. This is like section 12.2, number 73, 75, 77, 79, 81. So the first number we're given is 43,000. We want to write in scientific notation, we want one significant digit to the left of the decimal point. So 4 3/10 times 10 to the 1, 2, 3, 4, 10 to the fourth. So if I move the decimal point back 4 places to the right, I'm going to get my original number there. Again, I moved it 4 places to the left to get the decimal point between the 4 and the 3. So that's why it's times 10 to the positive fourth. So I can move it back to the right to get to my original. Let's now look at 0 point. I have a lot of zeros here. Give me a second to count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros. And 1, 6, 6. So I'm going to move that decimal point so that it's between the 1 and the first 6, so that I have one significant digit to the left of the decimal point. I move the decimal point 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times to get there. So I need to move it back 6 times 10 to the negative sixth to be the same number. Now I have 0.00816. It's going to be equal to 8.16 times 10 to the negative third. And I have 1,480,000 here. It's going to be equal to 1.48 times 10 to the sixth. Last problem here is going to be 2,300. It's going to be 2.3 times 10 to the third. You'll probably learn in science class or maybe in quantitative reasoning that these powers of 10 have some significance with place value here. So times 10 to the sixth is millions. So that's how I knew so quickly that this was 1.48 million, which is times 10 to the sixth. Likewise, times 10 to the third is 1,000. So this is 2.3 thousand. Like that, times 10 to the negative 6, if I would have counted in place values, is tenths, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s, millions. So this is in the millionth spot, I believe. Yes. That's hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s, millions. So this is 1.66 millionths, which is 10 to the negative sixth, and so on. This is 10,000s is times 10 to the fourth. You get the idea. So you may be able to see what we call the order of magnitude, how large the number is, by seeing the power of 10 that's here. All right, we will come back and write some things that are in scientific notation, in standard notation or ordinary notation in our next video. See you for the next video.